The next program, FAQ9. What is the output of the following program? Declare header files, main function. Within the main function, declare the statements. So see here, int I, you define one variable I. Printf %d, read the value. So which value read it? Internally, so which value read? Either 2 plus 3 or 6 or 2 plus 5. So we know C is a procedure oriented programming language. When we develop a C program, means step by step you must follow. So when the C program the character mode read which value? So here first it will check this one 2 plus 3, but it will not print 5. 2 plus 3 get in 5. Then next point 6. The next one is 2 plus 5. Here it reads step by step. So it reads the first one, second one, third one, but it displays the third one. So here you are getting 7. The output of this program, first value reads the last value 2 plus 5, 7. Then I equal to 2 greater than 3. The condition becomes false. So 6. Next 5 %3. So in this step, first step it checks, wrong it will display means 0. Then second step and the third step. So 5 %3. So 5 %3 means modulus value. So you get in the value 2. So the output of this program is 7 2. Thank you. Declare the header file, main function, start the block. Int I, declare one variable I. Printf, read the value. So which value read here? So see here, %d /n. %d read the value, /n is in display the new line. Okay. So here you are mentioning 2 plus 3, comma 6, comma 2 plus 5. Then the next statement, I equal to 2 greater than 3, comma 6, comma 5 %3. Then printf %d within quotation mark /n, comma I. So see here, at first it will read the values 2 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 5. So at last, the last statement here display 2 plus 5, 7. And the next statement I equal to 2 greater than 3, 6, 5 %3. So step by step it reads. So at last statement 5 %3 equal to 2. So you get in the I value 2. So the output of this program, see, compile and see, 7 and 2. Okay, get in.